Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be unboxing, or unpacking all of my post. So, first let's unpackage this. Out. This is a phone. Try turning it on. It's quite light. It's got an OLED screen. And it's a bit of a weird one. It's a Lumia 650. It's got a really low resolution screen, but it's OLED, and the camera's meant to be really bad. But it was £11, and it's good for £11 anyway. I'm going to take off this sticker. I'm going to give this to my sister to upgrade from a Lumia 640. It's a lot lighter than that. And then get the back cover off. There you go. That's probably the most exciting thing on this. In this unboxing video. Then we got this, which is my case for my iPhone, my new iPhone. The iPhone 6s Plus. Plastic screen protector. And a case. The case that I originally bought wasn't very good. It was a bit small, and it was one that went all the way around, and it made the screen really dim. So that should be an upgrade, and it should mean that I don't get scared of dropping it. I wonder what this is. Open it. It's inside. Oh, it's a USB 3 hub. Plugs in. It gives you more USB 3. Right. Glass screen protector for an iPhone 6s Plus, which is my new iPhone. Ah, it's glued together, that's why. 5 HDMI cables. Now let's try out this USB 3 hub. Okay, so I've got my Chromebook here, and I'm going to plug this into the USB 3 port. There we go. Now let's try this USB drive. It's not USB 3, but I have many USB drives. There you go, ESC USB. It's a Windows 10 USB installed. There you go. Over there. Now let's have a look at this Windows phone. You want English. Set the legal stuff. It is uh 29th of October. Type in my Wi-Fi password. I'm not going to sign in now because my sister is going to use this phone. Now let's apply these screen protectors. I'm going to go onto a different camera so the quality might dip a bit. Here it is. Let's take this cheap case off. This was meant to have a front bit to go over the screen, but this is where it makes the screen dim. Let's put on this one. Yeah, it feels a lot nicer. I'll put my finger here without it hurting. This case is quite nice. Okay, so this was an unboxing video. Bye!